In this video, we'll explore why Python is the language of the AI era. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries, and Python is at the forefront of this revolution. As AI continues to advance, programming languages play a crucial role in enabling developers to create intelligent systems. With its intuitive syntax and powerful features, Python stands out as the language of choice for AI development. Let's explore the specific features that make Python ideal for AI development. Python's simplicity and readability make it easy to write, understand, and maintain AI code. Python boasts a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks specifically designed for AI, streamlining development. From natural language processing to computer vision, Python's versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of AI applications. Remember AlphaGo? Python played a critical role in its success, enabling it to master the complex game of Go. Self-driving cars rely on Python for tasks like perception and control, ensuring safe and efficient navigation. In healthcare, Python contributes to medical diagnosis and drug discovery, enhancing patient outcomes. As AI continues to evolve, Python will remain at the forefront, enabling even more remarkable achievements. Python's user-friendliness democratizes AI, making it accessible to a broader range of developers. Continuous innovation and research in Python ensure that it remains the go-to language for pushing the boundaries of AI. Python's unique strengths make it the language of choice for the AI era. Embracing Python is essential for anyone looking to succeed in the field of AI. Join the Python revolution and unlock the full potential of AI.